Alright, what's going on, guys? So today it's sort of an unexpected video. So like today I installed my air intake in my 2005 Ford Mustang. It was a quite simple process because I've done this before. Yeah, I've done it before. So a while ago I took out the OEM intake and then I put in this aftermarket intake. It's by Spectre. It's pretty nice. I like it. Pretty clean. I cleaned it up because I've used it before, obviously. So currently the only thing that I have done to this car would be the cold air intake and then the exhaust. I'm gonna have to turn the flash on for this one. So my Mustang currently has an SLP exhaust. It's straight piped down in the middle, and then yeah. And I'll also add the sound clip of this exhaust, the SLP exhaust, on this video. I recorded it like a couple days ago. It's a cold start, and it sounds pretty good. Anyway, so I'm gonna get off topic a little bit and not talk about the intake or exhaust or just about the car, but just I want to talk about like just in general of like what's gonna be going on like with the videos and like when I'll be uploading, how often I'll be uploading and all that. But just trust me on this one, we are gonna get back on road. We're gonna make the videos way better. We're gonna have a huge come up. If some of you guys don't already know, I made my own media company. It's called Pivotal Visuals, and I'll be launching some like merch, like wallets, t-shirts, hoodies, some car accessories, and just like everyday useful things. So please stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys like enjoy and like show me some support through all this, through like my journey. And yeah, I want to do so much to this car. Like I want to lower it, and mainly lower it. Like it's too, I feel it's too high. Like look at that, especially in my back too. And for the spacers, like I would only want to put the spacers in the back for now, like just to see how it looks, just to try it on. I definitely need to get new wheels as well. I also cleaned the interior up a little bit. We'll go into the interior part in a different video, but for now it's just more of like what I'm doing in the outside, or like performance wise. So if you guys want to see what the OEM intake looks like, here it is. Nothing too special, but yeah. We don't need that no more. Hopefully this doesn't give us no problems, and I installed it pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Like tightened it, everything pretty good. Got the mass airflow sensor, and everything's good. Now it's just time to clean everything up and just put everything away. Now here's a sound clip of how the intake sounds, like the difference. almost passed the cops. Didn't. Oh my god. That was so scary. I dropped my phone. Scariest thing just fucking happened, bro. I was fucking going like 60 in a 40-mile-per-hour speed limit thing down Lakeshore, like about to get off, and the fucking cop is like right there, bro, like hidden as fuck. I didn't even see his ass, and fucking he didn't pull me over, and like he didn't react. I'm so lucky. So we just heading back home right now. Y'all seen a little bit of some Lakeshore action. Go down Sheridan. And as you guys can see, it got dark so quick. Yeah, it's dark as fuck. Going down Granville right now. Yeah, I want to thank most of you guys because like most of you guys go to my school, and I want to thank you guys so much because you guys are obviously the first like line of support that I have, because I'm still pretty young and I'm still like getting discovered. So we should be home pretty soon. I'm like pulling up right now. So yeah, I just got home. I just parked it. I'm about to go inside because it's freezing cold. Backyard. Good night, baby. So this concludes today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment or something. And make sure to share with your friends. Thank you so much.